What is up, guys? It's TimeForDillon back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. If you're new here, subscribe, bell icon, get notified when I post new videos, all time sensitive. In today's video, what I want to do is I just want to talk about the crypto market because as you guys know, it's crashing hard, crashing fast.
Is this time to give up on crypto?
Well, that's what I want to talk about in today's video. And I also want to talk about two big contributing factors to the price of crypto, to the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping so hard. So make sure you guys stay tuned until the end of this video so you don't miss out. The first thing I want to do is just go over the market real quick. As you guys can see, not looking too hot. How do we know this? Because CoinMarketCap has moved the global crypto market cap data from the front page. If you guys recall, it used to be located right around here and they have moved it. That's how you know things are not looking hot. But as you guys can see, the global crypto market cap sitting at $923 billion. We're finally under $1 trillion. Markets are crashing hard, crashing fast. Of course, Bitcoin down to $21,000 at points during the week, hitting as low as $20,000. As you can see, down 28% on the week. One of the biggest dips in Bitcoin's price in its history. And there are some big reasons as to why that's happening that I'm going to get into later. Then, of course, Ethereum sitting just under $1,200, down 33% on the week. And then, of course, pretty much all the other cryptos following suit. When Bitcoin moves down, what happens? The market follows. Everything's crashing, not only crypto. We have the stock markets crashing. Yesterday, we had the US Bureau of Labor Statistics come out and publish new CPI data. Of course, reversing the trend. If you guys don't remember, last month, we had a dip down from 8.5%. We had everyone thinking that, hey, we hit the top of inflation. We hit the peak. We're now turning around, but that's not the case. Inflation now at a historic high, 40-year high, not looking good at all. Because of that, what are we seeing? We are seeing the Federal Reserve come out and say that they are thinking about raising interest rates more than what they already said they were going to do. If you guys don't remember, I was talking about this about 2-3 months ago. And essentially, the Federal Reserve came out and said that they were planning on instituting rate hikes for the next 3 months at 50 basis points. And those, of course, being this month and the next month. But since we just had this terrible CPI data, of course, what is the word on the block? Word is that Federal Reserve is going to be raising interest rates, not 50, but 75 basis points, maybe even 100 basis points, which would be absolutely terrible and would cause the markets to dip even harder than it's already dipping. But anyway, moving on along, the second reason that I think Bitcoin and Ethereum's price are dipping so hard right now, and I'm sure you guys have been hearing about this nonstop, is Celsius. Now, if you guys don't know about Celsius, Celsius is basically an exchange where you're able to put your crypto in and receive beautifully high APR returns just for holding your crypto in these exchanges. And of course, the way they're able to do this is by lending out your crypto, and of course through some other very lucrative, questionable methods that people have basically uncovered, putting money into DeFi platforms. One of these DeFi platforms people have uncovered is not looking good. Now, of course, they don't have the liquidity on hand to pay off all of these withdrawals. And if you guys didn't know, Celsius services over 1.7 billion customers, which is insane. So this has a massive impact on the crypto market. Because of this, it is causing a lot of uncertainty in the market. A lot of people are thinking, speculating that Celsius will fail just like Terra Luna, and if that happens, we can expect prices to go much lower. Now, I personally think that prices in all cryptocurrencies are gonna go much lower over the next couple months, moving into the next year or so. And that's because I'm expecting the US economy to crash, to crumble, to not do well because of the insane inflation. Now, I will say this, there is a chance that he will come out and stick to the original plan, which is 50 basis point increases for the next 2 months, and after that slam the interest rates up. But I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. Drop it down below. Before I let you go, I did just want to say this. I'm more bullish now on crypto than I think I have ever been, and that's because when prices get low, people are fearful. When people are fearful, that is the time for us to be greedy. That's not my advice, that's Warren Buffett's advice. Really, that's the advice of many different prominent investors. So of course, it's also very hard to time the bottom of markets. So because of that, it makes sense maybe to think about dollar cost averaging, which is just setting aside a certain amount of money and investing it into crypto every single week or every 2 weeks or every day, whatever, a set increment. That's because it helps take the guesswork out of investing. And it helps remove the stress of trying to time the market. If you guys found this video helpful at all, make sure you guys smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys have a beautiful night, beautiful day, wherever you guys are. Dylan is out.